Right guys, and welcome back to Peninsula Painting Projects. And today I'm just going to show you what I've just won in a YouTube competition held by Blackcountry Wargamer, the one and only. As you can see here, I'm just on his YouTube channel at the moment, just to give him a little shout out, because obviously, why not? Might as well. So, Carl from Blackcountry Wargaming did a competition a couple of weeks ago. Basically, he started making YouTube banners. He's actually started to commission them as well now, and he did a little competition. Obviously, you had to do all the whole stuff: subscribe, like, comment, and he did a random name generator on the internet. And fortunately for me, my name came up, and I'm absolutely made up. I'm still happy about it now. So what we're going to do now is we're going to look at what I've won. But if you are interested in commissions for your YouTube banner, you might even be able to do Facebook banners as well, go over to Blackcountry Wargaming. Even if you're not interested in that, you might as well go over and have a look at what he's producing. You've got some good content on here, from Warhammer Conquest to Bolt Action. He's got some Dragon Rampant and Lion Rampant games. He's got some conversions for your Primaris Space Marines, and he's a good old guy. Check him out. So let's go over to my channel. And here we have it. So as we know, Peninsula Painting Projects. We can see my name up here in the red, nice red writing here. We've got my Instagram link at the top as well, my Instagram tag and my Facebook tag as well for my Facebook group, Peninsula Hobby and Chill. We have got the chapter master of the Blood Ravens himself, Gabriel Angelos. Now, people may be thinking, why has that been placed upon the banner? Because you don't currently collect Blood Ravens. Now, this is the thing. When Carl did the competition, he obviously didn't know who was going to win it, and he decided to make this one, and that's that basically. But I'm pretty much happy with it anyway. It was a lot better than what I had originally. I had it's quite embarrassing, I had the Tokyo skyline in Japan, which is it's just what YouTube gave to me, and I didn't have any means or ways to make a YouTube banner. So here it is, and I'm absolutely made up about it. So, I'm currently on 670 subscribers there. Thank you very much, guys, for watching and subscribing and commenting and all that. So, yeah, as I said, I'm absolutely made up of this. Thanks to Carl for hosting this competition. Like I said, if you are interested in going over, getting a commission off him, getting a YouTube banner or a Facebook banner, or even, I'm not too sure, but he might even be doing logos in the near future. So if you go to his channel, which was at the beginning of the video, comment on this video, and I'm sure he will link you up to his Facebook profile, but that's obviously up to him to do so. I didn't want to do that myself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I'll see you soon. Nice one, guys. Tra.